you can hear from here. I just want to show you these small videos on what it sounds like before I take it apart and make sure everything's tight on it. Look at that pipe. I even have a wire going underneath there. Oh, it pumps pretty nice. Remember, the bike has got to idle. You cannot just idle for a little while and then quit. I have to take the carb apart and see if what the needle setting is. I'll take this part off right here. I'll tighten everything up. This is about 160 degrees. Alright, the cylinder head. Here. Right here. That's about good for idle. Between 150 and 160 degrees. You want to get one of these if you can. They're only 15 bucks and they save you a complete rebuild. What the hell's that? This is another good thing to have, is a voltmeter. You want to be pushing between 13 and 14 volts. Right now I'm bleeding the system. I let it run. All the air bubbles will come up and go through here down into this little tiny catch-all. Then after I turn the bike off and it's hot, it'll suck all the fluid back up that it's been missing. So I don't have any leaks so far, but at this point I need to take everything off, make sure everything is tight, because this bike rattles so much, as you can see right here, that all the bolts can rattle loose. I'm going to bring my other bikes out too, just to warm them up for the season, and I'll put them right out of here. I just love this bike. Now, I will say something, that I bought this pipe, this YFIS pipe, from Steve Van Treese at VT Cycles, or his website on eBay is fast and then 2 wheels. The pipe isn't cheap. I won't ever discuss price, but I will say, if any of you out there have a big stroker and you want to do it right, this pipe is worth every fucking penny. Thank you, Steve. Thank you very much. All right, we continue.